Hello guys, today we bake the perfect bread for the capocollo we call rosette loaf. Today I will open my capocollo, I will cut it, let's see if it's good or not, and for this occasion I need the right bread. So this morning I take 500 gram of flour, 250 270 ml of whey. Remember when you make the cheese to keep it because it's perfect for the bread and for the pizza. 1 teaspoon of sugar, 2 teaspoons of salt and 150 gram of sourdough. I work all the ingredients together and I wait 2 hours. Now we need to cut in small pieces, give the shape to our loaf and wait another hour, and after we will bake it, but I'll show you later. Okay, after 30 minutes we can cut our loaf in the way to give the right shape. 6 of them I make rolling them, 3 without rolling, so after we can see the differences. Now we cut it and we put upside down on the table where we have put already some flour, and we wait 1 hour that they raise. After 1 hour we put in the oven preheated at 230 Celsius degree for 10 minutes. After we drop the temperature at 170 Celsius degree. Another important thing, inside the oven you should put a pot with the water. In this way the water will help our loaf to raise up. After 10 minutes at 230 Celsius degree plus 8 minutes at 170 Celsius degree, our loaves are baked. Now they are too hot, but I'll show you that the one that we roll, they swallow up more. The normal one, no. Now I will wait that they cool down. During this time I will cut my capocollo that I already showed you in the last video. See you at the end for the testing. spectacular. Okay guys, remember to subscribe to the channel, to leave me a like, to watch all the other videos. For any question, let me know. It's very soft inside and crunchy outside. Spectacular.